Dear students, welcome to the session 4. That is, the topic is macro environment presented by me, that is Ramesh ML. Here in this section, we discuss or study about the macro environment of business and its components in detailed manner. After studying this session, you will be able to understand the macro environment of business meaning and its factors and components, its effect on business. Next is macro environment. Macro environment is the remote environment of the firm. It means the external environment in which it exists. As a rule, this environment is not controlled by the firm. It is too huge and too unpredictable to control. It is unexpected factors which are came into existence for successful running of the business. Hence, the success of the company to a large extent will depend on the company's ability to adapt and react to the changes in the macro environment. Let's look at most important factors of macro environment. A simple diagram will shows about the macro environmental factors, that is economic environment, political environment, and natural environment, demographic environment, socio-cultural environment, technological environment. These are all environmental factors, and their sub-factors of all these will be discussed in the following next slides. First one is socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural environment includes the total social culture within which the organization operate. Culture consists of the cultivated behavior of the individual within the society. Socio-cultural environment include demographic forces, such as demographic forces include size, composition, and mobility of the population. Here, various populations will with consist various family sizes. Next, social institutions and groups, caste structure and family organizations, educational system and literacy rate, customs, beliefs, values, and lifestyles of the people, attitude towards the work, role of the family, marriage, religion, education, social responsibility of the businesses, etc. are all play very important role in decision making of the business under the socio-cultural environment. From marketing point of both caste and class are plays an important role in deciding the sources and type of marketing, which will decide the businesses activities in large extent. Here, society and culture will play a very important role in successful running of the business, because business exists itself for servicing to the society without harming the society. It will give good quality of products and services at a particular time and particular region. Here, culture also decides the business pattern, and societies will play very important role in successfulness of the businesses. Certain traditions and festivals will have also major impact on business through the society and culture. Next is political factors. Political environment of a country is a combination of three branches of the government. One is legislature, executive, and last one is judiciary. The political environment of the country will mainly depend on the political beliefs and in ideologies of the party in power at the state and central level. The legal the legal environment refers to the rules, laws, regulations, and judgments, etc., that affect the functioning of the business. And this will also include the taxation laws and budget for a given year. These are all very play very important role uh, for the decision making of the business, because government will implement various new rules and regulations for a business and for a taxation. According to these rules and regulations of the government, businesses will step ahead to the further growth. This legal and political environment will provide a framework within which the business is to work, and its success depend upon the success with the which it can face the various challenges comes out of the political and legal framework. What challenges and um, problems will created by the politics and legal framework? These are all successfully faced by the business people. Then only it is possible to survive in the society and grow fastly in the business. So stable legal and political government is really important in the business for success of the business in the society as well as in the economy. Through this, economy as a whole has to succeed through the dependent of the business. Um, Next is economic environment. Economic environment refers to all those economic factors which have a bearing on the functioning of the business unit. These forces influence the buying behavior and spending pattern of the consumers and institutions. Business depend on the economic environment for all the needed inputs. It also depends on the economic environment to sell the finished goods. The main components of economic environment are economic system, economic policies, and economic growth. Here, this financial market also come under this economic environment. First, we discuss about economic condition. Here, economic condition includes the condition of the economy, whether are there inflation situation or deflation situation. According to the these situations, business will decide certain activities. Next is economic system. Economic system includes capitalist system, socialist system, then mixed economic system. In the mixed economy, both private and public sector will combine together to service to the society. Then in the capitalist economy, only private sectors will play a very important role. In the socialist economy, majority role is played by the government itself. Economic policies. Next is economic policies. It includes monetary policy, fiscal policy, and other industrial policy, etc. will play important role in decision making of the business and investment pattern of the business. Next, economic indicators or growth indicators or economic indices includes gross domestic product, consumer price index, per capita income of the people, etc. will also have major deciding factors of the business. When the GDP and GNP will increases, the standard living of the people will also increases and investment pattern of the country also increases. With this economic indices, the positive economic indices will decide of the growth of the economy through the business and investment activities. Financial market also another important economic environment factor includes share market, money market, capital market, derivative markets, etc. Markets will play an important role in investment of the business. These are all economic factors which will have major impact, either positive or negative impacts on the business. Next is ecology and natural environment. Ecology and physical or natural environment play an huge part in the performance of any business. This is especially true for manufacturing or production companies because manufacturing activities are purely based on nature or depend on agriculture or primary raw material basic resources of the society or nature which are available in the uh, nature itself. Let us take the example for global warming. This global warming also play very important role in deciding about the business. This change is in our physical environment has started affecting the rainfall in the certain regions. This in turn may affect the crops and cause a shortage in raw material such as jute, cotton, rubber, etc., which are major dependent for manufacturing sector. Ma- some of the manufacturing sectors which are operated in India will will have majorly depend on natural resources than the other resources. Also, this ecological and natural environment also includes weather conditions, topographical elements, geographical location, climate changes, and other ecological factors are very important element in the natural environment of the business. These are all will decide the business pattern and investment pattern of the business. Next is demographic environment. Demographic environment include the size, growth rate, age and gender composition of the population, family size, educational level, caste and religion, etc. These demographic factors affect the demand of goods and services in varied manner. Market with growing population and income or growth markets as increasing population and indicate growing demand for product. More population also supply easy labor. These are all certain demographic environmental factors which affect the business environment. For taking example, family size. If the family size is bigger or larger, the product demand is very high. If the family size will decreasing, the product demand will be also decreasing. And if the population is growing in large extent, it will possible to get employees or laborers very easily. Otherwise, it is difficult to depend on labor. Manufacturing sectors will face a problem of labor unavailability in certain type of manufacturing activities. This is a demographic environment which will have certain positive impact and negative impact in both the extents. Next is international environment or global environment. The fast moving phenomena of globalization is becoming imperative due to the certain technological explosion, intensity of market competition, and changing lifestyles of the people, which will have led to the demand for new products. And in today's world, business has to adopt technical changes according to the changing global environment. Due to liberalization, Indian companies are forced to view the business from global perspective. The world is becoming small in size due to transport and communication facilities, so there is no safe market, and also facing new political and legal uncertainties due to the global interaction of the business. Various MNCs are freely came into the uh, business field and give competitions to the home industries or domestic industries. Host country operations will pose a greater challenge to adoption of new technology in the business field. Next, last one is technological environment. Today's world is most sophisticated in business activities. In today's business has to adopt technical changes from time to time. Obsolete technology will create a challenge to the newer and newer business if they cannot adopt new technology. And what businesses are also updated according to changing situation. So constant innovation is necessary because the purpose of every business is to create and satisfy the customer. Therefore, every business enterprise have to have two basic functions. One is marketing and innovation. Here we see various main components of technological environment. One is rate of technological change and diffusion. How the this will tells how the technology will change time to time and give challenge to the business houses. Next, new approaches to the production of goods and services and use of new processes and equipment which are used in the businesses for reducing the cost. Transfer of foreign technology also one of the important factor we will considering in technological environment. Before adopting any technology, every business have to analyze the impact of technology, uses of this technology, and its effect in marketing environment. This technological environment also includes research based of decisions. Before adopting any technology, we have to conduct research and development activities on that technology to knowing the pros and cons or advantages and disadvantages of that technology. While adopting that technology, what is the cost of technology, then what is the advantages of that technology and disadvantages of technology, the future of that technology, any new inventions which are introduced in that technology, or any diversifications, whether they may be advantages or non-advantageous, etc., have to be decided in this technological environment. Next, here we discuss research on that technology. It will identify the customer need and provide information for target setting and program the complete marketing effort. Here, research is very necessary for knowing the customer reaction and their need to that changed production and changed product characteristics, and their acceptance level also very important. With the invent of latest technology, the production cost will decreased, but the acceptance of the customer is very necessary for successful running of the business. Here, innovations helps by the establishment of research and development market in the enterprise is very necessary. Conducting of survey is very essential before adopting any new changes in the market, before implementing that technology. These are all various marketing macro environmental factors which will have major impact on the business.